Hi, in my last video we saw factorization using algebraic identities. We looked at three algebraic identities which are square of a sum, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We saw square of a difference, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and differences of squares, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And we also saw an example based on the square of a sum, right? In this video, let us continue our learning about factorization using algebraic identities, and we will see a new example, right? Let us factorize 9x square minus 24x plus 16. Okay. So in this example also we are going to follow these steps, which are: observe the expression, identify the identity. Here we need to check if the expression has a form that fits in the right hand side of one of these identities, right? Like we need to check if the expression has a form of either a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus b square, right? And the third step is to write factorized form, that is, if the expression matches an identity, then the expression corresponding to the left hand side of the identity gives the required factorization, right? So if the expression has a form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, then its corresponding left hand side, that is a plus b whole square, is the required factorization, right? Okay, so we will learn this step by step, and we are going to solve this example, right? Our first step is to observe the expression, right? In this example, there are three terms, that is 9x square, 24x, and 16. So identity 3, that is difference of squares, does not apply in this example, right? Now let us see our first term, that is 9x square is a perfect square, and this can be written as 3x whole square, right? And the last term, that is 16, is also a perfect square, and 16 can be written as 4 to the power 2, right? And the middle term, that is minus 24x, this is twice the product of 3x and 4, right? So this will be written as 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 4, right? And also it has a negative sign. Okay. Now we move to step number 2, that is to identify the identity. Okay. Here notice that the first term and third term are perfect squares, right? And the middle term is negative, right? This fits the square of difference identity, this identity, right? Square of a difference identity. And this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So square of a difference identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? And this is how our expression also looks like, right? So this is a square, this will work as minus 2ab, and this 4 square is nothing but b square, right? Here a is equal to 3x and b is equal to 4, right? Now we need to write the factorized form, that is our step number 3. Okay, so as we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square, right? So 9x square minus 24x plus 16, we have to write this in the form of a minus b square. Here a is 3x and b is 4 power 2, right? So 9x square minus 24x plus 16 is 3x minus 4 to the power 2 in its factorized form, right? Okay, so we learned that how to factorize expressions using the square of a difference, right? We saw that if the first and the last terms are perfect squares, right, and the middle term is a negative twice their product, then the expression can be written as a minus b whole square, right? I hope you understood this concept. In my next video, I will continue this lesson and see example of how to identify difference of squares identity with an example. Okay, thanks for watching.